Hi, my name is Julia. I'm on the Central Coast of New South Wales. I'm a senior, and what I have done here is I've survived. I remarried. My second marriage was not a good one, and I ended up in domestic violence, and I had to leave that situation after 4 years. I built up, after my divorce and everything, I got involved with a small group of people that I thought had knowledge. The simple fact was they mismanaged the money, they made the wrong moves. So it went belly up. I lost everything, including my home. The only way I could survive was either in Gabriel, my little caravan, which is gorgeous, but I don't think it's a full-time option. It was devastating being older in my life that I just didn't feel like I could do it all again, and I had nothing to start with. Yeah, I was able to put those skills that I've learned through Ian into work, even though it wasn't what you would say the normal rentrepreneur that I was hoping to start with. It was one that I needed to do because I was left in a very vulnerable situation. I went into action and just took me about 14 days and just under $3,000 to furnish the house. If you're anyone who is single, it's the perfect opportunity to live in a house that is a lovely home and have friends. The education with the program has given me the tools that I needed to step out. It's the best program I've ever had and have seen that gives you tools along the way. I feel like it's something that I want to pass on to people and share. And I think it's going to, if it makes a difference in other people's lives, and I've helped with that, I've done something too. Yeah, I've not just looked after myself.